Alright, what's going on everyone? So today we're going to try to install some of these shocks that I got right here. So as most of you guys know, I have the F250, the 2017. I have the Kelderman suspension lift on it and it rides okay, but when you're not pulling anything, it's kind of rough. So I reached out to them and they mentioned that they teamed up with this company called Raptor Shocks. As you can see right here, and they're actually from what I understand, they're like a snowmobile shock company. So it was very interesting to see that they teamed up with them for a truck lift. This is gonna be a pretty simple job. We're just doing top and bottom bolt right there, and then all along that. Alright, so that wasn't as easy as I wanted it to be, but it wasn't bad at the same time. Now we're gonna install the Raptor shock. We're gonna start with the end first, and then so I can push this end on the center. Alright. Gotta do the other side so I can. The idea is to take both ends off, set this one up like this where it's just hanging, and then I push them both in to where they can line up with the center. I have a feeling it's not going to work as well as I want it to, but it doesn't hurt to try.